Dr. Faguni Ram, January 2, 1945 to February 25, 2018, was an Indian politician. He was a Minister of State, Bihar, and member of the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Parliament of India, representing Bihar as a member of the Indian National Congress for 3 terms. Dr. Faguni Ram, whose father was Baijnath Ram, freedom fighter, was born on January 2, 1945. He obtained BA and MA degrees in geography, as well as a PhD, and married Dr. Sushila Das.Ram. Was a member of the Legislative Assembly of Bihar between 1972 to 77 and served as a Minister of State in the Government of Bihar in 1973. He was a member of the Rajya Sabha from 1985 to 1988, 1988 to 1994, and from 2000 outside politics. Ram wrote Development of Irrigation and its Impact on Agriculture and was a co-author of the 25 volumes of Instant Encyclopedia of Geography. He and his wife were among the first members of a scheduled caste in the state to hold a PhD degree. They always stressed education as a means to self-development and the development of people they served. He served in Bihar State Administrative Services but left to become MLA from Aurangabad. Ram breathed last on February 25, 2018 in Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. He was cremated in Nigambad Ghat. National Integration Award, 1987-88. Citizen of India, 1992. Several colleges and schools named after him in his hometown and state. References